Hi, it's Joyce, the Energy Lady. I'm coming and I'm presenting this to all those who are in the Denver, Colorado area because I'm actually coming to Denver, to North Denver, Westminster, October 26th and 27th to teach my Energy Mastery Foundations class. Now, I've never taught this in Denver before. I'm from Denver. I have family there, so I think it's a great idea to show up there. I also would love to share this with all of those who are in the Denver area. So if you're interested in learning how to use the Energy Mastery Foundations system of cleaning your energy field, then show up. Reach out to me, schedule on my website a free consult, and I will do an energy cleanse for you and talk to you about the class. The most powerful tool about having the Energy Mastery Foundation system is that everywhere you go, you have a first aid kit with you, and it's your hands. I don't go anywhere and worry about anything happening because I can take care of it with an energy cleanse. I was recently at an island in the British Virgin Islands, and somebody who was attending at the island had a really bad earache, and I was able to help them with cleaning the energy. Another person hurt their ankle and their foot. I was able to help them with that while I was there. There are so many wonderful ways to use the energy work, but the thing that I love the most is that I clean my own energy field every day, which creates more resiliency for me in working with people, and it keeps me healthy. So if you're interested in this at all, please reach out to me. I'm happy to have a consultation with you and even doing a cleanse with you remotely and let you experience it and see it. And would love to see you come to class because it's going to be phenomenal. See you there.